Many skeptics of the Bible, and even fellow Christians, have wondered how Noah could have fit all of the millions of modern animal species on the ark. He would have needed a fleet of cargo ships. But Noah didn't take all the species on the ark. Noah was only commanded to take every kind of land-dwelling, air-breathing animal on the ark. While we always picture 2 giraffes and then 2 cows and so on, the Bible actually says that Noah took 7 pairs of some. But now, isn't this making the problem worse? Well, let's look more closely. Noah didn't have to take any sea creatures with him, and he might not have had to take all of the insects or small invertebrates either. This dramatically reduces the number of creatures on the voyage. So Noah took the terrestrial amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals along with him. But you see, he didn't need to include 2 of each amphibian, reptile, bird, or mammal species. Noah was told by God to take 2 of every kind. This biblical classification term kind is not synonymous with the much more recent term species. It's much more broad. Genesis 1 tells us that all creatures were created to reproduce according to their kinds. Now, some scientists have studied this and have informally dubbed this study baraminology. They've done research to try to figure out what the biblical kind compares to in our modern classification scheme. Now, they found that in most cases it's at the family level. This means that Noah didn't need 2 lions, 2 tigers, 2 leopards, 2 house cats, 2 lynx, 2 jaguars, 2 cheetahs, and so on. He just needed 2 representatives of the cat kind with a robust genetic sequence. Now, from those, we can get all of the variety we see today very quickly. Did you know that there are only 510 amphibian, reptile, bird, and mammal families alive today, including aquatic families? Now, we don't know for sure how many families have gone extinct since creation, but it's estimated that 70% of mammal families have gone extinct. So if we assume this same number for the other groups, then the upper limit of kinds Noah needed on the ark is just 1,700. With 2 of each kind and 7 pairs of some, only a few thousand individual animals were needed on the ark. The ark was a massive cargo ship. It had more than enough room for a few thousand animals, food and supplies, and Noah and his family. This is encouraging for anyone who might have been skeptical because it shows us that we can trust the history recorded in God's Word. I'm David Rives. Truly, the heavens declare the glory of God. There's a neat little button that lets you subscribe to our YouTube channel, where every week we bring you scientific information concerning the Bible and scientific discoveries. We want to inspire you and educate you as you realize that everything around you is proclaiming God's glory. I'm David Rives. We'll see you next week. Truly, the heavens declare the glory of God.